Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do another unboxing, and it's going to be the Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. Now this is a phone that will cost you $100. You may find the link in the description below. It's available on Amazon. Now we have the phone, and in the box we only have the charger and the SIM ejection tool. The charger is the standard micro USB charger. And not the paperwork and nothing else really. This is the phone. We have the blue color here. This is a device powered by Android Go, and we have Android 10 on this phone. This phone is kind of small actually compared to A21s, but it's a compact phone. On the right side we have the volume buttons and the power button. We have the single camera, nothing on the top. Front facing camera, speaker. On the left side we have the SIM tray, and on the bottom we have the main speaker of the phone, the micro USB port, and headphone jack and the microphone. Okay, let's go. Now we have bezels here on this phone, no notch. And I will just skip everything and go straight to the menu here. I have to say that even the back of the phone is plastic. Even though that the back of the phone is plastic and this phone is cheap, I mean, this is a normal plastic. It doesn't feel cheap normally like we would see on the A02 Core of 2020. Now let's go to settings, system, and check on about phone on Android version, and we have Android 10. Opening camera app, we see that we only have photo and video. For a basic phone, that is all you need actually. Now I'm liking this phone because it's compact and is small and it feels good in the hand. Now let's open YouTube and look at the screen resolution. Now the maximum resolution here on this phone is 720p, and the speaker is not that loud. And also the speaker feels like, let me just pause this. Okay, the speaker feels like is reverbed. It's not that loud, and I recommend using headphones when you are watching YouTube, if you're gonna watch YouTube on this phone. Now this is pretty smooth. Being Android Go is a light OS, and we can just go tap here and build number and reduce the animations here on developer options, and the phone will feel much more smoother. yeah, so this was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.